head over to Whole Foods and we're gonna get some goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes and basil, because we're gonna make something special for all of you guys. We're gonna make some chicken that is the shit. We need coffee before we cook. You guys ever? Don't you ever forget that? When you cook, you make sure you have some coffee, you have some wine, which we gotta pick up some wine for you. So that when we're gonna pick up some wine. And I already have my shit, my bourbon, my whiskey and all that shit. And we're gonna have a good time and we're gonna make some good chicken and you guys are gonna love it. And you're gonna eat chicken, you're gonna call me and you're gonna say, Joe.
Oh my God, you got to calm down.
It's good coffee. Whew, that's a mouthful. For those of you who wonder where we are, we're at Fenwick's. Fenwick's is located on 8th Avenue, or Franklin Road. Is this Franklin Road?
Well, it's the same thing.
Franklin Road, 8th Avenue, same shit. That's what it looks like outside. Boom. Goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes and basil. Not get a guy dancing like that. Shit, it's cold in here. Let's get out of this aisle.
Goat cheese. Which kind are you? Just plain this citrus grove. Yep. All of that is honestly really good. It's on sale right now.
Okay.
Cheese from the goat.
And it's got a lot of different kinds.
Okay. Awesome.
Is it plain that you want?
Yeah, plain is fine. I mean, it's not like we're gonna use tons of it, right?
Okay. Now what? Sun-dried tomatoes?
Sun-dried tomatoes.
So we've got sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil from Whole Foods, their own brand. We have plain flavored or unflavored goat cheese, room temperature. We have fresh basil, some flour for breading, garlic, salt and pepper, and then we've got 4 about 6-ounce chicken breasts.
Awesome. Awesome. And another shot of good things. So first, the first thing that we have to do is we have to get the chicken breast to be as flat as a pancake. So we're going to use our mallet. We're going to strike the mallet on the meat and press. Strike and press. Don't worry that we'll be here all day.
You can take out your frustration.
Just take that shit out on this plate.
Wow.
Okay, so Carol Ann is now spreading the goat cheese. And she's gonna cut up sun-dried tomatoes into small pieces. And we're gonna put some basil on top of it. There, we're gonna start rolling them. So we're gonna take it off of the cellophane wrap and we're gonna roll it into a very, 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 very tight roll. Like a log, and we're just gonna roll it up, roll it up, roll it up tight. Roll it up tight.
It's like a sushi roll.
Nice and tight, like a sushi roll. Then we're gonna put it in the, we're gonna stick it now. Before we do that, we're gonna roll it in the flour that is sitting right there. You gotta roll it in the flour because it's gotta go in the oven. All right, so you're gonna roll it in the flour like that. Very good. Spread it around nicely. All right, and then from there, we're gonna take that,
It looks fun.
put it back to the saran wrap.
It's like a little enchilada.
All right, and we're gonna roll it in the saran wrap very tightly, very, very tightly.
This is as tight as it gets.
You roll it very tight. You roll it very, very tight.
I'm rolling as tight as possible. Okay.
Okay, that is an interesting way that you're holding it, but that's okay. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator so that, very good, and it will sit in there for roughly 15 minutes or so.
So yeah, get this, because this will be good with music.
Roll that puppy up.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna put it in the pan.
Oh, it's not hot enough yet. We need to get it hot.
My hands are all dirty. You want me to just do it?
Yeah. Let that skillet heat up a little bit more.
This is a big one. This looks like a penis. I mean, what the fuck? It looks exactly like a penis. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm rolling it in flour. You can't put that on.
You're stupid.
Okay, ready?
That's the moment we're finally waiting for. Chicken is done. Putting it right there in the pot. Oh yeah, you guys are gonna love this. This is bomb. Caroline, you gotta taste this.
Okay.
I'm dead serious. I'm not doing this for the camera. I'm dead serious.
All right. Is that good?
It's that damn good. I'm telling you. See what I'm saying? Yo. Yeah.
They're so good.
So damn good. It's gonna make you want to dance.
It's awesome.
She can dance. I'm not gonna do that shit. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.
Oh my god. It's fucking good.